What's your name?
Lamia.
Lamia.
Yeah.
Lamia. Okay, Lamia, is this your first time attending this event?
Yeah, it's actually the first time.
Okay, so what exactly you're expecting from this event?
I was actually expecting to learn more, about the world of blockchain, crypto, because I basically started my journey into trading 2 years ago,
Uh-huh.
and it's always good to learn to basically discover new platforms and new solutions, because crypto is growing like on a yearly basis, it's growing like massively.
Yeah.
And I'm just expecting, really good impact following the halving next year. So I'm just really excited for that.
Bitcoin
Yeah.
halving, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So any particular project you looking for here at the event?
Crypto mining actually is very interesting.
Okay.
Yeah, crypto mining solution is very interesting.
Okay.
I don't have the technical knowledge to understand exactly how it works,
Mhm.
but it's really interesting, and I think crypto is the future anyway. So I think today is only 4% of the total population, right, owning a crypto. Yeah, so
Right.
definitely room to grow.
Yeah, definitely.